There are several cellars at the distillery. The largest one holds 64 stainless steel tanks, each one up to 8 meters high, and together they hold 3.5 million liters of Kaoliang at various stages of the aging process. The value of all this liquor bubbling away? Up to $400 million US. And if it looks like it's tucked away in an abandoned military facility, that's because it is. The Kinmen Islands are around 200 kilometers from the Taiwanese mainland, but just 2 kilometers from mainland China's shores.
The islands of Quemoy and Matsu are more important to the defense of Taiwan now. 23rd of August, 1958, when the communists opened fire on the offshore island of Quemoy.
It's probably one of the fiercest and most concentrated attacks of shellfire in history. Within 44 days, the islands were inundated with more than 500,000 rounds of heavy artillery shells. Faced with this devastating attack, the local garrison began extensive excavation, creating a network of defensive tunnels. It was hard graft through solid granite.
In many cases, entire villages had to be abandoned.
Once the battles were over, Kinmen was left with these tunnels. They might have remained as a curiosity, a memorial to those tough times, but the Kinmen distillery saw another use for them.
因为坑道它里面还是恒温恒湿，所以在温度上面、在湿度上面都是一致情况之下，这非常适合所谓的窖藏存酒。不管摆了3年、摆了5年、摆了8年，甚至我们最老都摆了20-30年的酒，它的每个酒质的变化，真正都有不同的这样的一个风味，带给我们现在想要做产品开发的一个更多元化的组合。
These ceramic jars are destined to produce some of the finest Kaoliang. None contains more than 1,000 liters. The porous ceramic allows the alcohol to breathe and interact with the atmosphere, as well as with the mold that forms on their exterior. It all adds to the flavor.